Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So check out the state of my workbench. I bet this looks familiar to some of you out there. The problem with a workbench like this is there's no place to work. So today I'm going to check out a solution to this problem. It's a portable work table / sawhorse that has a bunch of really cool features and should fix this problem for me and give me a great place to work. So let's jump into this video and check this thing out. So here's the solution to all my problems. This is the Pony portable clamping workstation / sawhorse. That's why it's considered a 2-in-1. It can function as a sawhorse or a work table. Now this table measures 31 inches by 25 inches wide and is an adjustable in height from 25 inches to 32 inches, and it weighs a svelte 32 pounds, so even a manly guy like me can handle it. So one of the really cool things about this table is it comes with a bunch of useful, high-quality accessories. The first thing is these clamps right here. Now, it comes with 2 larger clamps right here and 2 smaller clamps. Now, the 2 larger clamps can actually be secured to the table, so they're right there for you anytime you want to use the table. Now, the other really cool thing about this table is there's actually a mechanism that locks the larger clamps to the table and makes them so useful. Now, the other accessories that come with the table are these bench dogs right here. There's 2 large ones and 2 small ones. The cool thing about these bench dogs is they give you lots of options to mount and secure different shaped objects to the table. All right, guys, so let's move on to the fun stuff. Let me show you how to set up this table. Now, the first thing you do is you put it on the ground like this and push your feet underneath the table onto these tabs on the legs right here. Once you're on those legs, you just lift up the table, and that will fully extend the legs. The next thing you're going to want to do is spin it around like this, and there's these little plastic tabs on both sides of the table that keep these wings down. Remove that tab right here, and they have a convenient storage right on the side. Just connect them right up there like that. Now, let's extend the legs out like that. And right here, guys, you've got the sawhorse. Now, once you've got the table in the sawhorse position, it's easy to move along and make it a work table. Let me show you how. First off, you pick up the leaf like this and then grab this metal bar that's secured right down here on the bottom of the table. What you got to do is just carefully lift that up and push it back, and you'll feel it lock in. Now you've got a solid workspace to work on. So one of the awesome features of this table is you can adjust the height really easy. Let me show you how to do that. Basically, on both sides, there's these 2 little tabs. There's a tab here and a tab here. With one hand, you can squeeze them together, and that will release the legs so you can lower them. Now, the legs can lower between 32 and 25 inches. So another great feature of this table, when it's fully expanded, is it actually creates a little storage area right here underneath the table. Now, this area can be used to store materials or tools weighing up to about 20 pounds. So one of the unique things about this table that makes it different from any other work tables I've reviewed in the past is it includes some great accessories, and they integrate really nicely into the table. Let's start talking about the clamps. So there are 4 clamps in total. There's 2 big ones like this, and there's 2 small ones. So let me show you how to use these clamps. First off, really simple. You just squeeze them to tighten down. You push this lever to open them up. Let me show you how that actually works on material. The cool thing is you can kind of just do it with one hand. You squeeze it down, lock it in. Now that piece of material is locked to that clamp. Now there is one other real cool thing that the larger clamps operate with the table, and I'll show you that right now. First, you remove the end of the clamp just like that. There's a push button right here that releases it from that metal bar. Now from there, you can connect it to the table. Let me show you how. First, there's a little lever over on the side here. You pull that out. That releases a pin in the table. Then you take your clamp and put it in the slot right here. Push it all the way in, wiggle it around, and it will lock down. Now, what's cool about that is you can have one of these bench dogs on the table right here, get your clamp, push it in, squeeze that lever, Now it's secured to the table. So let me show you how to remove the clamp from the table from this configuration. First, release the pressure on the clamp, remove your material. You can take out the bench dog and you're good to go. Now the next thing you're gonna wanna do is this tab right here. Just pull this out and then you can remove your clamp from the table. So let me show you another cool way that you can secure material to the table. First off, get one of your clamps. It doesn't matter if it's small or large. We're gonna work with the small one here. Push that button to release the end of the clamp. Now, push the clamp through the table like this onto your material. Then on the other side, reconnect up the end of the clamp, push it down, and when you're got your two jaws tight on the material, lock it in place. So now that you've completed your project, let me show you how to put away your table. First off, you just push this button right here on one of the leaves. That will eject this metal bar. Take your leaf, push it down, and push down your metal bar like that. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Spin it around. Push that button, eject that bar, push down the leaf, lock in the metal bar. Now the next thing you're gonna wanna do is grab this lower table right here and lift it up, and that will pull in the legs. Now to lock those legs in so they don't wiggle around, there's this piece right here that you just connect right onto both sides of the upper table. Let me show you the other side. Here it is. Push that in, connect it up there. That will stop the leaves from flying around. You can see now they're connected together. Now the last thing you're gonna wanna do is get these tabs right here on both sides, squeeze those tabs together like this, and the legs should go down. And now guys, you've got a table that you can store in a really small, tight space. Problem solved. All right, guys, it is time for the wrap up. First off, let me say that I am totally in love with this Pony portable clamping work table / Sawhorse. Now, this thing has so much going for it. Let me just quickly run through the list with you. First off, it is compact. Folds down really small, easy to store, love that. Secondly, it's rugged, all the tools are strong. Like this thing, you can beat this around. I think it's gonna stand up to that punishment. Next off, it's versatile. You can either use it as a Sawhorse or a work table, love that. It also has plenty of mounting options, so there's even more than I showed you in this video. Kind of the sky's the limit. If you can think it, you can figure out a way to clamp something to this table. It's portable, small, you can see that. And lastly, the integration of the accessories into the table are awesome. I love the fact the clamps actually attach to the table. Very few portable work tables are capable of that. Pretty cool stuff. So the last thing we need to talk about is how much this table costs, and the number is $170. And in portable tables, that's on the high side, but given that this table has everything you can need, it's sort of sold as an all-in-one with the accessories, I can see the value there. So if you're thinking of giving this as a gift, whoever you're gonna give it to is gonna be so happy, whether they need it for work, a hobby, a YouTube channel perhaps. This thing is awesome. You're definitely going to be considered a gifting hero. So I will put a link to this table right down below. There may be like a small little coupon there. Make sure you check that out so you get that deal right down below. You know where to find it in the description. All right, we's are out of here. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, stick around. A lot of great stuff coming. But in the meantime, right there, video, go check it out. I'll see ya.